Have you ever dreamed of escaping to a paradise where the beauty of nature defies imagination? Picture islands so stunning, they seem like masterpieces painted by the gods themselves. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the top 5 most beautiful islands in the world. Each one a slice of paradise, each one a dream destination. If you're passionate about exploring the world's most breathtaking places, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more awe-inspiring journeys. Number 5. Santorini, Greece. Santorini, the jewel of the Aegean Sea, captivates with its dramatic landscapes and postcard-perfect vistas. Imagine whitewashed villas and blue-domed churches perched on cliffs, overlooking a vast caldera. The towns of Fur and Oya, cascading down the lava cliffs, are not just beautiful, they're iconic. Highlights like the ancient Akrotiri, the black sand beaches of Parissa, and the legendary Santorini sunsets are more than just sights. They're experiences that stay with you forever. Number 4. Seychelles. East of Kenya lies the Seychelles, an archipelago where unspoiled nature reigns supreme. These 115 islands, a mix of coral and granite, are a sanctuary of tranquility and breathtaking beauty. Nearly half of these equatorial isles are protected, housing thriving coral reefs and lush jungles. The Seychelles aren't just beautiful, they're a haven for divers, snorkelers, and anglers. Here, luxurious resorts merge seamlessly with the spicy flavors of Creole cuisine, offering a blend of relaxation and indulgence on islands like Maha, Praslin, and La Di. Number 3. Palawan, Philippines. In the heart of the Philippines, Palawan stands out as a beacon of natural splendor. This island is more than just beautiful, it's a masterpiece of nature. The limestone cliffs and secret lagoons near El Nido are not just scenic, they're ethereal. Palawan's beauty extends below the water, with coral reefs teeming with diverse marine life, making it a diver's paradise. Number 2. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora, shaped like a sombrero, is the embodiment of a tropical fantasy. This island's heart is its stunning turquoise lagoon, a playground for nature lovers. Here, you can swim with fish, turtles, sharks, and rays in crystal-clear waters. Bora Bora's allure extends beyond its natural beauty, with a distinct French touch in its cuisine and culture. Number 1. Maldives. The Maldives, an archipelago of ethereal beauty, reigns supreme as the most beautiful island in the world. The islands are more than just land, they're specks of white sand rising from the luminous aquamarine sea. The overwater bungalows offer more than just a stay. They provide an intimate experience with the ocean. The Maldives is not just a destination, it's an escape into a world where the sea is as clear as crystal and coral reefs create underwater rainbows, beckoning divers from across the globe. So, which of these paradises will be your next destination? Don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights and share this video with those who dream of exploring the world's most beautiful islands.